All right, what's up, mi gente? We're at the townhouse here that we're flipping, 15016 Ashdale Cir. So last time I was here, or I showed you guys, it had just been the beginning of the demo. So now today is the first day, I believe, of the third week. So I'll kind of show you the progress that's been done. They have the first coat of paint on, and they did put in the recessed lighting in here. They have the 6-panel doors on. Here in the half bath, they did install the new flooring. Not sure if you can see the color and detail in it. Here in the kitchen, there's a wall right here that's completely down. So we open it up. So they did the first coat, the primer in here. That's the flooring for the kitchen right there. This right here, we're looking at is the pipe for the sink. So we'll have an island here with a little bar that you can eat at. And then nook right there would be where the there'll be a pantry as well as the refrigerator. So that's the appliances for the kitchen right there. So we'll go up real quick. So first thing we did up here, as you can see, or if you recall, is this wall right here. This was not a wall, it was just simply a railing, an old school type railing. So we felt it made the place look older. So we just put a little half wall there. So we'll start over here. This is the bedrooms here. Just a primer paint in here. The 6-panel doors have been installed. And there will be a ceiling light there. Ceiling fan. This bedroom, you can see, the 6-panel door has been installed. And that ceiling fan will be replaced with something new. Primer on the walls here. And the closet doors. Alright, this is probably more than one complete bathrooms here. Got new flooring, new vanity. That's the mirror that will be hung up. Towel rack, shower, new light fixture. So give you some of the detail. That's the shower tiles. That's the kitchen, the flooring for the bathroom. So all bathrooms will have the same exact flooring and shower tile. The master bedroom, once again, same thing here. The primer's been put on. Closet doors, 6-panel door installed. So in the master here, we're trying to decide whether we want to do a full bathroom or a half, and we realized doing a full one would take up too much space in the bedroom area here, so we decided not to put in the full bath and just have the half bath. So same flooring, new vanity, new light fixture. That mirror is way too low for me, but that's okay. Then lastly, the last place to show you for the update is the basement. Not too much has been done down there because there's not a whole lot we're doing down here. As you can see, they put the primer, the paint, floors are the same. There's no light here in the bathroom, but it's the same thing. You can't actually, there's a light right here in the hallway. That's the bathroom there. Same deal, gonna be identical to upstairs. So all bathrooms will have uniformity. And then just the primer in here. So that's that. I mentioned I'd be completely and totally transparent. Nothing major has happened at all. It's been going pretty smoothly. The only thing I would say that we kind of would do differently on the next one is ensuring that we know exactly where we want stuff at. For example, I wasn't sure where these lights were going to be at, and I would have put them elsewhere, to be honest with you. I would not have arranged them the way they are. So that lets me know that when we have it done here in the kitchen, I'm going to have more say as far as, you know, me and my partner will have more say as far as where we want the recessed lighting to go. So that's the only thing. I realize also I don't like selecting tile or finishes at all. That's just not what I enjoy doing. And my partner, he's more inclined to do that. So I think that's something where maybe he can either do it all himself, or I'll simply, if we have a contractor who kind of knows the type of finishes, like once we've done several with this contractor here, he has an idea of what we're looking for. So there'll be less guidance that's needed along the way. Other than that, it's been, oh, another thing, getting the money to the contractor. I literally had to go to the bank, get a check, and give it to him in person. I'd much rather not have to make extra stops to simply somehow, some way get the funds to him quicker. PayPal is not good for that, nor is the Cash App, because you're limited as far as how much you can transfer per day. So that does not work. So I had to go get a cashier's check to give to the contractor. So we'll figure all those things out, and by the next one, we'll have a much smoother process. All right, any questions, let me know.